How to use the AI function. Let's have a quick view about the AI function first. Then we are going back to the detail and some precautions about the AI function. Check the version of the software first. The 3.0.1.3 or later version will all support the AI function, as the AI function need to use the internet, so please make sure your computer had connected with the internet before using the AI function. If you want to analyze the old images, you need to use the backup and restore function to restore the old image to the new software. Choose an image that you want to use AI to analysis. Click the AI button in the toolbar to start AI analysis. Please read the user agreement before using the AI function. If you don't want to show it anymore, you can choose the not prompting anymore. But you can still click the user agreement on the left-down corner to read it again. Here the top side is the patient's name. At the left sidebar, you can click to show and hide the comments. And same, the disease structure and outline of the teeth. Click the origin to show the original image. Click the eyes icon to show or hide different part of the teeth. You can drag the slider to change the transparency of each part. Sometimes the analysis might fault. You can click the reanalysis to analysis again. Click the teeth to change the teeth number. After change the teeth number, it will also change in the tooth map. Here you can modify the diseases. We support 6 kinds of diseases to choose now. Here you can add your treatment plan for each teeth. This part you can rotation, mirrored and reset the image. The diagnosis will show all the diseases and total number of them. At the tooth map, you can swap the teeth position. Swap the upper and lower, left and right. The list bar will also show the detail of each teeth. The last is output the PDF file. Click the PDF button. Will output a PDF file on your desktop. The default output location is desktop and don't support to modify. You can see all the analysis results in the PDF file.